Und hier sind sie, die Bayern-Mädels.
We interrupt this program to bring you breaking news on Palmyra Network News. Here is Zeke Stoltzfus.
It's starting to snow there. Looks like the flakes are getting bigger and bigger. There they are. We told you it was coming. We know what we're talking about in Palmyra Network News. This is Zeke Stoltzfus reporting on the scene somewhere in Campbellstown, Pennsylvania. Now we measured some of these flakes and they're about a quarter-inch across, but it's going to get much worse here before it gets better. It's going to get windy too. It's going to get really windy. So I hope you guys are all set with all your provisions, your bread and your milk and your eggs. Still, this is no place fucking workable. Just fair. Look at that. Looks like the snow's moving in for sure. Governor Tom Wolf issues state of emergency in Pennsylvania. Governor Tom Wolf issued a state of emergency for Pennsylvania ahead of the winter storm. How about that? All right. Well, it's nice to see that Pennsylvania is getting involved in the storm. Now, as a public service, we have some school closings. It says here, Northern Lebanon's closed tomorrow. That according to Jody Criswell. Now here's another cancellation. Twin Valley School is closed tomorrow. Happy. The Brownstone Cafe will be closed tomorrow due to the winter storm Stella. Brownstone Cafe closed tomorrow. No breakfast. Due to the impending inclement weather, Chocolate World will be closed tomorrow, March 14th. Stay safe and remember to warm up with Hershey's hot chocolate. Now, all you people out there in Tiwi land, if you got some pictures and some videos, we sure would like to see them right here on Palmyra Network News. And we'll share with our millions of viewers. This is Zeke Stoltzfus.
We now join the regularly scheduled program already in progress. We now return to Sylvester Stottle.